The Xiaomi SU7 electric sedan has recently been unveiled in China, marking a significant entry into the electric vehicle market by the tech giant. The vehicle, already on display in select Xiaomi stores, boasts an array of impressive features, with its most notable being self-driving capabilities. A promotional video released by Xiaomi showcases the SU7 autonomously parking in a multi-level garage, demonstrating the advanced technology integrated into this innovative electric sedan. Equipped with advanced LiDAR, radar, and cameras, the Xiaomi SU7 utilizes cutting-edge sensors and software for self-driving features. The promotional video captures the SU7's smart movement as it navigates through a multi-level parking garage. The driver initiates the autonomous parking process by tapping a button on the car's infotainment screen after reaching the entrance of the garage. The driver then exits the vehicle, and the SU7 seamlessly maneuvers through the parking facility, ascending different levels with precision. A noteworthy moment in the video occurs as the SU7 gracefully navigates past a parked Audi A7, showcasing its ability to respond dynamically to its surroundings. The autonomous journey continues until the SU7 reaches the top level of the parking garage, where it autonomously identifies an available parking space and executes a precise reverse parking maneuver. While the video highlights the impressive self-parking capabilities of the Xiaomi SU7, there are still some questions surrounding the specifics of the technology. It remains unclear whether the SU7 solely relied on its onboard navigation system and sensors for the parking demonstration, or if the parking area was specially equipped to facilitate such activities. If the Xiaomi SU7 indeed accomplished the feat using only its sensors and software, it would mark a remarkable achievement in autonomous driving technology. Xiaomi's foray into the EV market is part of the broader electric vehicle revolution in China. Despite not being a traditional automotive company, Xiaomi announced its entry into EV manufacturing in 2021, with ambitions to secure a position among the top 5 EV manufacturers in the next 15 to 20 years. The SU7's combination of advanced technology and autonomous capabilities positions it as a noteworthy player in the rapidly evolving landscape of electric vehicles. The Xiaomi SU7 electric sedan, recently unveiled in China, is set to redefine the driving experience with its cutting-edge features. Among the notable capabilities confirmed for the SU7 is hands-off freeway driving functionality, allowing drivers to experience a new level of comfort and convenience during highway travel. Additionally, the auto parking feature showcased in promotional materials further demonstrates Xiaomi's commitment to incorporating advanced autonomous driving technology into its electric vehicles. Moreover, Xiaomi has hinted at the possibility of expanding the SU7's self-driving capabilities to include city streets through a future software update. This suggests that the SU7's software stack is developed to evolve and adapt, potentially unlocking new functionalities and enhancing the overall driving experience over time. As part of the marketing strategy, Xiaomi plans to keep the public engaged by releasing snippets of the SU7's features ahead of its official entry into the Chinese market later in the year. This approach allows potential customers and technology enthusiasts to stay informed about the latest developments and advancements in the Xiaomi SU7, creating anticipation for its launch. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it, so don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day and God bless you.